In this video, we've completely relined all the drains on a residential property. Right now we're filming from a stack pipe, which picks up the upstairs bathrooms and is now heading down towards the boundary shaft. Coming up on the left, you'll see a junction patch. This was installed as there were tree roots within 400mm of the junction. So after the junction is cut out with a robotic cutter, a junction patch is required in this situation. The product we've used for this job is MagmaFlex liner. It's a structural fiberglass product and has a life expectancy of 50 years. As you can see, we're just about to go around a bend and have already been around multiple other bends. This product starts off as a material coated in resin that has not set yet, so is able to move around bends under air pressure. This customer has had ongoing block drain problems for over 15 years and can now sleep easy knowing it will never happen again. Coming up, the white section is called a landing patch. It's to ensure the reline runs all the way to the vertical shaft, completely sealing the line. Now in this section, we're relining from the downstairs bathroom and eventually linking up with the pipeline you just saw before. As you can see, again, we've gone around multiple bends. Here is a junction patch. That's just a bit of loose resin that will peel off. This section is a junction cut. This is a section we replaced in PVC, and here is the first junction patch you saw at the start of the video. And that's a wrap. Another job successfully completed by Revolution Pipe Relining. If you would like your drains to look and work this good, give us a call for a free quote. 1300 844 353. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.